We always talk about oils and their benefits on our channel. The last one we talked about was almond oil. Did you watch it? You certainly know about coconut and argan oil, right? But have you tried jojoba oil? The oil comes from the seeds of the jojoba bush, native from the deserts of Mojave and Sonora, in Arizona, California, and Mexico. The fruit is similar to a bean, green and oval, and has seeds on the inside. From them, we extract the oil. Did you know that? See some of the benefits of this natural wonder. Hydrates the skin. Jojoba oil deeply penetrates the skin. Dry and dehydrated skins are the most benefited from jojoba oil, although it works well with all skin types. Jojoba oil is rich in natural fats that imitate the sebum of the external layer of our skin. Helps with cold sores. Docosanol, the active ingredient of most creams for cold sores, is naturally found in jojoba oil. Apply a drop of the oil over your sores as soon as you notice them. Fights acne. Jojoba oil has antimicrobial properties that hinder the growth of bacteria that cause acne. It also dissolves the excess of oils that clog pores, helping prevent acne. Heals wounds. The antioxidants found in jojoba oil help reduce inflammation and improve healing. It also contains antifungal and antibacterial properties. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Lessens wrinkles and is anti-age. The vitamin E and the antioxidants found in jojoba oil help eliminate the free radicals that cause the aging of the skin. These nutrients rejuvenate the cells, keeping the skin young, firm, and free from wrinkles and fine lines. In addition to all these benefits, jojoba oil is actually a wax, not a true oil, which means it can be stored for years without going bad. It is accessible and easy to find. You can buy jojoba oil at drugstores or natural health stores. Besides all these benefits, jojoba oil also works as a makeup remover. Did you know that? Oils can break down waterproof makeup easier than water and soap. Jojoba oil is perfect for this job, since it is gentle enough to be used around the eyes when you need to remove your eyeliner. Nice, isn't it? Try it and share your experience with us. If you have used jojoba oil, tell us what you used it for. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.